Hey, welcome. I am Fahaam and I will make you a billionaire. Today we are going to dive into one of the greatest billionaire success stories ever told. An individual who is counted among the richest people in the world today, 30 years ago, was sitting on the floor of his own garage on his knees, packing book parcels with his own hands. That person is none other than Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. Today, we know Amazon as a $2 trillion empire, but do you know the 3 things that turned a tiny garage bookstore into one of the biggest companies on earth? Stay till the end, because in today's video, we will explore the story of Bezos that perhaps you have never heard before. Jeff Bezos' career started at a big hedge fund on Wall Street. Fat salary, corner office, a future that looked perfect on paper. But deep inside, he had a restless dream. He read a statistic that the internet was growing at 300% a year, and that single number changed everything. His boss told him it sounded like a great idea for someone who doesn't already have a good job. Bezos had already made up his mind. He sat in his car and, along with his wife Mackenzie, drove across the country to Seattle, writing his business plan on a laptop along the way. Friends called him crazy for leaving a secure career for an uncertain online bookstore. But his vision was clear from day one: customer obsession. He didn't start in some fancy office. He started in a rented garage with desks made from wooden doors to save money. And that is where the first 3 secrets of his empire were born. Secret number 1: customer obsession. Bezos didn't just want to sell books, he wanted to build the world's most customer-centric company. Every decision, every meeting, always started with one question: what will make the customer's life easier? While other companies chase profit margins, Bezos chased trust. Secret number 2: the Regret Minimization Framework. His formula for every big decision was simple. Imagine himself at 80, looking back and ask, will I regret not trying this? This mindset gave him the courage to leave Wall Street and later to bet on ideas others called impossible. He believed the pain of regret is far heavier than the pain of failure. Secret number 3: long-term thinking over instant profit. In Amazon's early years, the company barely made money. Investors panicked, but Bezos stayed calm. He kept telling his shareholders that Amazon was planting seeds for a forest, not picking flowers for a single day. This patience is what later gave birth to Amazon Prime, Amazon Web Services, and Alexa, businesses that took years to build but changed the world forever. Of course, the journey wasn't a straight line up. During the dot-com crash of 2000, Amazon's stock fell by more than 90%, and newspapers wrote it off as Amazon.bomb. Even close friends advised him to sell. But Bezos refused to panic. He trimmed costs, kept the focus on the customer, and waited for the storm to pass. When it did, Amazon came back stronger than anyone imagined. Jeff Bezos' life teaches us that success does not come overnight. It comes from patience, obsession with value, and the courage to make decisions you won't regret at 80. If you want to build something big in your life or business, remember his formula: put the customer first, think in decades, not days, and never let the fear of short-term failure stop you from long-term dreams. So tell us honestly, are you ready to build your own empire from your garage, your bedroom, or your small shop? If you enjoyed this story, tell us in the comments which quality of Jeff Bezos inspired you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because in the next video, we are going to reveal the untold secret of another billionaire. See you in the next video.